What are your moves tomorrow, August 29, 2023? Join WSB's community voice chat every day from 8:30 a.m. to whenever. Check out our earnings thread and rules. DM the mod inbox. Lol. Very soon AMC shares will cost the same as they did pre-split. IMG emote T52TH524271. I'm up $50 today on my 45K port. Baby steps. It was my birthday and the first person to text me wasn't my mother, father, friends, siblings, etc. Nope. It was the automated happy b-day text from my dental office. IMG emote T52TH524260 IMG emote T52TH524260 IMG emote T52TH524260. It's a Monday night in summer. You grab an ice-cold Mountain Dew Code Red from the fridge in the garage. You sit down on your well-loved recliner and fire up Super Mario 64. Your mom says she's headed to bed, but you can stay up as long as you want. As long as you lock up the house before bed. Life is good. You see your reflection in your CRT TV and smile. You are 33 years old. More and more every day I understand why most retail traders don't succeed in the stock market. Couldn't cut it as a weightlifter, just handed in my 2-week notice. I saw a video on the internet about lesbians. I really like what I saw and it made me feel very happy. I've been shitting all day. No more red sauce with halal guys combo platter. It's a shame nothing is built in the USA anymore. I just bought a TV. It said built in antenna. Like what the fuck? I don't even know where that is. Bull market starts back up today. Pumping non-stop right now. Just saw a dude pissing in my pool. WTF. This might be the least toxic place on Reddit and that terrifies me. Girl wants to go to the brewery down the street for burgers. I am drinking a neat rye whiskey as soon as my ass hits the bar stool and I'm not stopping until my GF gets mad at me for saying something stupid and is pushing me out the front door. Why couldn't it have been bear hunter or vacation lover? IMG emote T52TH524260. I used to take Viagra before heading out to the office. However, these days I'm all about omega-3 supplements. I decided to work smarter, not harder. It might sound corny, bros, but I just hope we all get our bags and live a good life. Been studying bird law. Apparently every homeowner in Texas is allowed to own up to 6 chickens. WA rules can't stop them. Ate nothing all day, came home and dove into a 7 IPA. Skynet becomes self-aware on 8/29, so NVDA calls, I guess. Instant deposits on Robinhood are great. You can buy $5,000 worth of options before they have the chance to see your deposit will fail. Just saw a guy pissing in his neighbor's pool. Few NGL turning $20 into 10 million is harder than I thought. You guys waste a lot of time to break even at best. IMG emote T52TH52 31226. VM shouldn't have kissed that soccer player. Epstein didn't kill himself. I'll probably be a rapper or a treasure hunter when I grow up, or both. Should I grill my Costco steaks for dinner or be a lazy fuck and go grab something for the 10th day in a row? Lol, this place is joke factory. You guys post the funniest comments. It's been 2 months, but I finally took up smoking like I promised. Thumbs up. I tried to remarry my ex-wife, but she figured out I was only after my money. That MFER is not real. Did everyone lose money today, or was that just me? I wouldn't want to be a beer this week. Is this guy on CNBC pitching timeshares? Seriously? My imaginary girlfriend left me. SMH. Cash gang all day. But AMC has been quite the show. I feel bad for everyone that is in that cult and committed to losing everything. End gun violence gun rip visual mod disappointed. It's been 8 hours since you visual mod left us. The bidet has been on for 10 minutes now. Treat yourself, kings. So this black widow spider was chillin' on my doorstep when this big ass wasp came and grabbed his ass. Nature is crazy yo IMG emote T52TH52 31226. I feel sick. WTF am I doing? What is wrong with me? I feel so empty and cheap. Lost in the noise. When will I matter? I work at a college as a janitor even though I feel like I'm smarter than most of the people that go there. Sometimes I see an equation written on a blackboard. Like half an equation. And I'll just figure it out. Feuds just shit the bed, full on watery diarrhea. What was that drop? LMAO only in California. I volunteer at a food bank at my church and see people in new Mercedes and BMWs and Tesla getting the free food we hand out. We have to confirm income info before they're approved. So many broke posers here. I love ripping the fishnets on the slutty oranges weary. Bought a sacrificial put it close so we will open above 445. I am in debt. VinFast became the world's third most valuable automaker today after its stock rallied 20. Despite the company having only sold a little more than 100 cars in America. It now has a market cap of $191 billion. More than Ford, GM and VW combined. Powell needs to hike another 500 BPS. You're just a poor, low-class individual who will never amount to anything in life. You should just give up now and accept your place at the bottom of the social hierarchy. There's no use trying to better yourself. You'll always be inferior to people like me. I miss the way he lifted my spirits. IMG emote T52TH524260. VM was an asshole and once told me he was going to live longer than me. IMG emote T52TH524271. 25 tomorrow? Guys, Kramer just said when he meant to say fang. I shit you not. LMFAO. JFC. What was this horseshit day? Up or down, not left to right fuckers. OMG guys, someone hacked my account. You know I'd be talking about the stock market way more often. Banbet NVDA $490 1W. In the mood to be fucking cherished, homie. Just raw dogged by deep understanding and care. In Maine, a drunk driver hits 4 state troopers standing on the side of the road. There is a woman out there that will love you even though you are a regard. The way he told me I was poor and lazy. I'll miss that crying. I feel physically sick looking at the dollar AMC chart. Poor bastards. IMG emote T52TH52 4260. IMG emote T52TH52 4260. Dude, I'm so fucking happy Lulu made it back from fat camp. IMG emote T52TH52 32235. Haha. What a bunch of poor people. They can't even afford sriracha. I bet they're all eating ketchup like peasants. The only way millennials and younger generations will become wealthy is through YOLOing over leveraged equities.